Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Notetracks Pro, a tool that claims to collaborate on audio projects with easy and get feedback directly on your tracks. Notetracks Pro is an audio collaboration platform where you can get real-time feedback pinpointed directly on the track itself. This is a deal, it's the second time they are here in AppSumo. I bought it at the first time they were on AppSumo, and it's a different kind of deal. You do not see it everywhere. It's kind of unique, and it's a tool to review audio tracks. It can be podcasts or musics. Then people can give their opinion about the audio project, and you can receive those feedback directly on your tracks. The tool is pretty good. I bought it the first time, as I said, and it's now they are divided by project. So if you buy one code, you get 10 projects and 5 GB storage. If you buy two codes, 50 projects, 10 GB, and so on. You can buy up to 10 codes where you get more than 300 projects and more than 55 GB storage. Let's take a look at the tool. It's the main website, and here is the dashboard. Everything is pretty simple. I'm gonna show you the profile sections is only to add your name, and here in stack code you can see that I have one code stacked, so 10 projects and 5 GB. If you want to create a project, just click here, and you can select if you want to create a video project or an audio project. Okay, so let's say we want to create a video project and people to give the opinion about the video. I'm gonna create the project here. Here, my track. Just added my video, as you can see here. The tool uploaded it pretty fast. It's pretty cool to see that now they have videos as well and not only audios. And you can share the project, send an email to your members or the link, okay? And in that way, people can come here and start to comment on your video. So they can play the video. Este vídeo está eternalized, chamado The Hero's Journey. I want to say something here. So they can comment here, leave a comment here. So I like that part. And also add reactions, emojis, as you can see here. And let's say here on that part, and just drag and drop. So here in that part, you think it would be cool to have more drums here. You can just drag and drop. So if you think that it would be cool to add more drums in that part, you just drag and drop drums here. You can also add any text and also draw it up here. So that's Notetracks, pretty easy to understand. It's a tool where you can upload audio or videos and then share those audio or videos with your clients, your members, so they can comment and collaborate with you to create a better video and a better audio final version. I hope you liked that review. Thank you so much.